second engine I can make from this is, I've got actually some nice shell that came out of it. But I've got enough to fix up this FA1, which this is something that I like. There's the chassis here. All I'm missing is the two trucks. And I can find that from one of my other junk boxes. So I'm on vacation this week. I have a little bit more time to play with my trains. So this shell ended up being pretty nice. It's missing the horns, but other than that, it's pretty decent. So there's my donor engine. So somebody started making it ready for a conversion to DCC, which I don't run, so I won't have to do anything to it. So I'm going to get parts from my donor engine. This is my donor engine here. It's all ready to go. So I could just put the shell back on, and then I'm ready to run some trains. But I wanted to show you what's inside, because they are easy to work on. So this is a little light board. I'm just going to open it up for you so you can see what's inside. Pretty much the same as let's say an Atlas GP35, let's say, or even an F3 or an F7 for that matter. This is a Life-Like FA1, so you have to remove the gas tank, of course. There's not much grip on it, so you have to pry it with your screwdriver. You go very gently because it has really good details, and it's nice to have it around, so you have to pry it out. Take your time, it's not a race. I'll in fact finish this off camera. So once you have the two screws and the gas tank out, the truck's just going to fall in your hand. Just keep track of the order in which they come. Somebody put a white dot and a green dot under it. I don't have to remove it, it won't show once the vehicle, once the engine's put back together. And you just lift this out, and you have your insulators, you have the two little worm gears with their bearings, and you have the motor with a decent sized flywheel. These guys run a little bit noisy, so that some of you may be troubled by that. For me, it's no big deal. As the engine gets older, the noise will go softer and softer, and it ends up making a satisfying hum, I think. Anyways, I find that to be a satisfying hum. I don't tighten them all the way. I put the trucks back in, and then I'll tighten them back up. So the two contact strips, make sure they're at the correct place. Make sure everything's touching where it should be. And then once you're happy with that, use gravity as your friend to maintain the trucks in place. And then tighten these two screws up. And then we're good to go. And I put the little light board on just so I can find it again if I want to. And then I can put my shell back on, but I'm going to go wash it in the sink with my toothbrush and some dish soap before. So these little guys are actually pretty heavy. It's a big frame. And the shell goes back on pretty easy. This is going to be kind of a short video, but that was really all that was necessary to repair this. There you go. And now it's time to run some trains. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. I certainly had fun making it for you. See you soon.